Hello and welcome to Wednesday, September 28th, 2016. Can you please get out your math vocabulary notebooks and we will pick up right where we left off. I cannot remember if we went over an integer, but if you already have integer in your math vocabulary notebook, it means a number with no fractional part. And it also went over it in the videos that you guys watched at the beginning of this week. So you should have those notes in your notebook. So it includes, an integer includes the counting of numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are all integers, 0, and the negative of counting numbers, so -1, -2, -3. So positive and negative numbers are integers. What is not an integer is a decimal number or fraction. They have to be whole numbers. So go ahead and write this down if you don't already have it. If you do, great. All right, let's move on. We have absolute value as our next one, which means how far a number is from 0. So every time you're going to start at 0 to find out what the absolute value is. So example means 6 is 6 away from 0, but -6 is also 6 away from 0. So your absolute value will not be negative. So the absolute value of 6 is 6, and the absolute value of -6 is also 6 because it's 6 spaces from 0. So that never changes. The symbol for absolute value is placed on either side. So they place these straight lines down to show that they mean that they want you to solve for absolute value. So the absolute value of -6 equals 6. And remember, you can pause this video so it holds the slide that you're on if I'm going too fast for you, and then you can just play it when you're ready, when you have all the information in your math vocabulary notebooks. So let's go to the next one. Positive numbers, which we've been working on this week. Positive and negative integers are also positive and negative numbers because an integer is a number. So positive numbers are greater than 0. So on the number line, you're going to move to the right if it is a positive number. So example is 5 is positive 5. So if you do not have to put the positive sign, a plus sign in front of the 5 to let me know that it's positive. You just can keep it as a regular 5. For negative numbers, this means that they are less than 0. So a negative number is written with a minus sign in the front. So example means -5 is -5. So you'll see that minus sign if it is a negative number. And that is the last one I have for you today. So once you get that last one down at negative numbers, I would like you to move on to the adding positive and negative numbers video. Thank you.